Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Instagram Reels in Splice. Splice is a user-friendly mobile video editing application that helps creators edit videos professionally using simple tools such as trimming, music addition, transition filters, and text overlay. And it is widely used for the prepare short-form content for the social media platform like Instagram, especially for creating engaging reels. To create Instagram Reels using Splice, first open to your Splice app and go to a new project on the bottom and simply select the photos that you want to use and import them into the timeline here. And you can enhance the reel by adding any of the editing on the bottom. You can add your auto editing media, text, audio overlay and effect. And once editing is complete, you can go to this export in the top and choose which is ideal for the Instagram. And after exporting, you can open to Instagram, and this is it. This is how you can create Instagram Reels in Splice. And Splice provides an easy way to edit and prepare video for the Instagram Reels by allowing users to trim clip and music, apply effect and export videos in high quality for social media sharing. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.